quick ones.
Okay, go ahead, sure.
So, okay. In regards to someone that is in the process of conversion, I heard some time ago that Rabbi Rubenstein mentioned that when the person kind of deals a lot with like inappropriate thoughts and similar and the like, person should go and read the Gemara Maseches Makkos, the lashes.
Okay.
So it's a person that is in the process of conversion and is dealing with this problem. Is he allowed to read this Masechet just for the sake of cleansing his thoughts?
Okay, yes, I would say yes, but or even some other Torah is also good to cleanse. Oh, of course, it's Kabbalistic part that when you learn about Makkos, so just for to explain to everybody what you're talking about, when somebody transgresses many, not all, but many Torah prohibitions. All together we have 365 prohibitions. So a court, if court had witnesses that warn this person, if you do not stop this prohibition, so we're going to lash you with a lash, right? It's up to 29 stripes, right? So it's actually breaks many people. Of course, it breaks first of all, it's very humiliating. Like they tie the person like a cattle to the pole, right, and then whip them. Of course, it's very humiliating, and plus it's painful, and person usually change their conduct. So meaning when you read about the punishment, so it helps a little, or a little. So, but or just the more, as we said before. So if you push out all of these improper thoughts by adding more kedusha, so it was like your vessel. So that's the way I always imagine. Your vessel is going to be full, and there would no room for these improper thoughts. Of course, they are going to come, but only come and go. Right, come so because it's full. So maybe they try to lay on top, but there is no room, and they will roll off. That's the way I imagine things. Okay.